So NU wins again. Sam Cantada's player of the game again. And that was also against her former teammates in Shiny Tura and the others. Pero pagkatapos ng game, I've been seeing videos and comments on social media wondering about these two things. Number one, bakit si Abe Pono ang sinastart over kay Lamina and playing majority of the setter role? Pangalawa, hindi ba talaga pinansin si Sam Cantada ng kanyang former teammates from Adamson? Umpisahan natin yung number one. Again, this was based on my research because I also got curious. Pono was starting and playing over Lamina because they wanted to have a matchup advantage. In spite of Lamina being taller than Pono, Pono's better at blocking and that's gonna help them on the defensive end because over their last two games, they had to worry about spikers who can score a lot for their team. So maybe a defensive-minded setter is what they needed para makuha nila yun and that's exactly what they did. Hindi naman ibig sabihin nun na pinapasa na kagad ni Lams yung torch kay Abe Pono. At kung nananalo naman sila, why change it? So rest assured that we're gonna be seeing Lams soon. It's just that Pono was a better fit in that matchup. Pangalawa naman is si Sam Cantada. If you've seen videos circulating online, she even hugged her coach. So there's no bad blood between her and her coach. And I can safely say na iba-iba naman tayo ng mental toughness, diba? Some people would need some time to process yung pagkatalo nila, most especially kapag in-expect nila na didikit sila sa NU. But instead, it was a sweep. Or maybe hindi lang talaga sila close. Kung hindi man talaga sila nagpansinan nun, siguro iniisip pa rin ng mga teammates niya kung bakit siya lumipat, na parang they would have been so strong together. But again, if you are Sam, lalo na kung nakita niyo yung post-game interview niya na she was so happy to see her family there watching her, I'm sure she got that offer because of them, para sa pamilya. You'd also do it for your family. I just know na with this, mas gaganda lang lalo yung Adamson versus NU rivalry. Pero gusto ko makita kung paano sila magre-respond. Kasi sigurado ako na maraming mga tao na siguro ginudge na sila because of just one or two clips that they've seen online. Pero sa second round, I wonder how they'll be matching up against NU and how they'll see Sam afterwards.